Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of plants that can bring prosperity and wealth into your home. Just like tidying up, surrounding yourself with the right energy can fill you with joy and bring positive changes to your life. For centuries, people have believed in the power of certain plants to attract abundance and good luck. These plants, with their vibrant energy, can upgrade the energy of your space, creating an environment that welcomes prosperity. Are you ready to discover these amazing plants and learn how to invite their positive energy into your home? Let's get started. The money tree, with its beautiful braided trunk and vibrant green leaves, is more than just attractive. It's believed to attract wealth, prosperity, and good luck, making it a favorite indoor plant in many cultures. Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese art of harmonizing energy, suggests placing the money tree in the southeast corner of your home, also known as the wealth corner. This strategic placement is believed to enhance the plant's ability to attract financial abundance. Care for your money tree with love and attention, allowing it to thrive and, in turn, boost the energy of your home. The jade plant, with its plump jade green leaves that resemble precious stones, is considered a symbol of prosperity and good financial luck. Its vibrant energy is believed to attract abundance and wealth, making it a wonderful addition to your home or office. This easy-to-care-for plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers infrequent watering. When you water your jade plant, visualize its energy filling your space with abundance and prosperity. Remember, a happy and thriving jade plant can radiate positive energy, inviting financial luck into your life. Chapter 3. Lucky Bamboo. Growth and Fortune. Lucky bamboo, despite its name, isn't actually bamboo. It's a type of Dracaena and is deeply rooted in Asian cultures as a symbol of good luck, prosperity, and growth. The number of stalks in a lucky bamboo arrangement has special meaning. For example, 3 stalks represent happiness, wealth, and long life. Choose an arrangement that resonates with you. Place your lucky bamboo in a bright spot, away from direct sunlight, and make sure it always has fresh, clean water. Chapter 4. Basil. More than just a culinary herb. Basil, with its aromatic scent and culinary versatility, is more than just a tasty herb. In many cultures, it's considered a sacred plant that attracts wealth, prosperity, and good luck. In India, basil is known as tulsi and is revered for its spiritual significance. It's often planted near homes to bring blessings and positive energy. Consider placing a pot of basil in your kitchen or near the entrance of your home to invite wealth-attracting energy into your life. Chapter 5. Orchids, Beauty and Abundance. Orchids, with their exquisite beauty and elegance, are believed to attract wealth, abundance, and positive energy. Their presence can raise the vibration of your space, creating an environment that welcomes prosperity. Different colors of orchids have different meanings. For example, purple orchids are associated with royalty and abundance, while pink orchids symbolize good luck and happiness. Choose an orchid whose color and energy resonate with you and place it in a prominent spot in your home to enjoy its beauty and positive vibes. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of plants that can invite prosperity and wealth into your home. Remember, just like tidying up brings joy, surrounding yourself with these vibrant plants can lift your spirits and create a space that welcomes positive energy. Whether you choose a money tree, a jade plant, or any of the other amazing plants we discussed today, care for them with love, allowing them to thrive and share their positive energy with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on bringing positivity and prosperity into your life. See you next time.